Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this fantastic Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 Turbo SRi Nav. Now this vehicle is currently on 11,582 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Summit White and it has recently been serviced by ourselves. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you do have very stylish LED headlights that light up the road nice and well at night. Here at the side, your 16-inch alloy wheels. You have your contrasting black roof and door mirrors there. The indicator integrated into the mirrors. Take a look inside to the rear. You have a very nice sporty feeling interior with the nice red contrasting stitching and red stripes there as well. You do have ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, you do have your Corsa badging on the tailgate and the vehicle does have rear privacy glass, giving you very nice privacy to the rear. Let's open up the boot now. You do have a nice amount of boot space here, it goes nice and deep into the vehicle and you even have some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, making it very nice and practical. You can fit a weekly shop in there with ease and have some room left over as well. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Here inside you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have a nice red stripe there across the dashboard along with the gloss finish. Your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Vauxhall Corsa has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments. Now these allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear, and they're super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You do have your full electric windows there with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. On the dashboard you will find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Here to the right you'll find your wiper stalk, easy to adjust this with your high, low and intermittent features. Moving on to the right of the steering wheel here, you do have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can also change track and station along with the source of audio and answer and end phone calls as well. To the left here you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. You also have a memory option as well, so you can find your most commonly used speed in there. It's an extremely convenient feature to have. Moving on to the left here, you have your indicator stalk, and at the end of it you'll find the controls for the very stylish digital cockpit you have here. You can display heaps of different information on here, including your navigation. You can see the guidance displayed on there, which is super handy when following directions. You don't have to take your eyes too far off the road. You can also see your trip computer information here with trip 1 and trip 2. You also have your standard digital speedometer there as well. Moving on, and here in the centre of the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. You do have your radio, and on this you'll find your DAB, FM and AM radio. Now with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations here available to you. You can scroll through this very easily. You can also connect your own source of audio here with USB, and there's also Bluetooth audio as well. You have your Bluetooth phone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to, and it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls. You can pair your device up very easily and even import your contacts into the vehicle so you can call whoever you need to very easily. You do have your phone connection here with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you also have connected apps as well. You can connect your phone with USB, which will bring a similar interface to your phone up onto the display. You'll be able to make hands-free phone calls and texts very safely using voice command, and you can even use compatible apps as well, such as your navigation, music streaming servicing, and even apps like WhatsApp and Teams. You do have your navigation here, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using the plus and minus button there to zoom in and out. Then you do have some driving functions here and some vehicle settings as well. You've got your headlights with the options For your welcome and leaving lighting, you also have some comfort features with your door locking, as well as the rear wiper when you select reverse. You also have your safety features here. You have your active safety braking. You can turn all these features on and off. For your active safety braking, this will detect potential hazards ahead and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. Here in the settings, you can adjust how soon it reacts. You have your speed recommendation here as well. You have the speed limit displayed on the dashboard as it recognises the road signs. A very nice touch to have for ensuring you keep to a safe speed. You can turn that on and off very easily. You also have your driver attention warning, where the vehicle will detect when you're starting to lose concentration, encouraging you to take a break from driving. Now, the vehicle does also come equipped with rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when reversing, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle, giving you guidance on how close you are to objects. You can see them activated there on the display when you select the reverse gear. Got your hazard lighting there and your door locks as well. Moving down below here, you have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. You've got your temperature there to the left, your fan speed here on the right, and in the centre you'll find your buttons for the direction of airflow, defrost in the front and rear windscreen, as well as your AC on and off and air recirculation. You've got your USB connectivity there and some storage. Here you have some buttons with your start-stop system, a sport mode. You also have your lane departure warning. You also have your lane keep assist as well, which will alert you when you're starting to drift out of your lane, so you can correct this and not collide with other road users. You can turn your parking sensors on and off there, and you even have your child locks. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 Turbo SRi Nav. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.